Ba, 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 ba. Welcome to
JoonJoon Play. Today we made this
trail.
road.
It's a trail for a car.
A car. This can move the wheel.
Yeah, if you turn it on.
I can turn it on. And it can do like this or
Yeah, there are many ways to play with
like
this car.
this
Yeah, the second,
or
the third,
this.
the third method is
The funniest.
the funniest one. This is the funniest one. Yay!
I will show you another one. I built it with this.
Okay, you build a big long road with that. Wow.
He
Zoom in.
cannot go.
Shoo! Wow, nice trail.
It can go like this.
Oh, wow. This is very good. We bought it from Daiso for 5,000원. It just costs $5.
will buy this too.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you show it one more time? Whee! Boom. Perfect.
And
Ah! The small car is very fast. Oh, I thought it was broken. Yeah, I can't go the other way. It's bumpy. The car stopped. Are you okay? Can you rescue it? That was very fun, you did. Da 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 da. So,
here, right here.
yeah,
I will
Agent,
put this.
you're back with many more cars. Ooh, how many cars? Uh-oh, car crash. Ah, you pushed the Pikachu away.
I will do just this. It
Okay.
cannot go.
You cannot go.
Because this is more heavy.
Yeah, that's heavier than the blue car. That's why it stays. And blue car is out of track. So the road is only for the blue car.
No.
No?
If I buy more this, it can fit. Another one can fit here.
Alright, good.
나도 저거 한 개.
Okay, good.
나는 난
Thank you for watching JoonJoon this video. JoonJoon Play.
JoonJoon Play.
Don't forget to subscribe.